ba yung Kangen talaga? Bakit ganon? And it really changed something inside of me. Kasi hindi ako naniniwala sa Kangen before eh. But one thing is for sure. At that moment, I knew Kangen was real. Kangen is something that I needed to study. Kangen is something that I want as well. You guys are here to know more. Maybe some of you wanna level up your health. Pilipinas! Game ka na ba? Alright! And these units can actually produce 5 types of water. We have Kangen water for drinking, beauty water, clean water, usually for the babies. Strong Kangen is what we use to degrease oil-based insecticides and pesticides. We use it for cleaning. And just a press of a button, you can also access strong acidic water, which kills 99.9% of germs.
I'm really grateful. Actually, when I started knowing about Kangen is from my uncle. Galing pa Spain. Kapunta siya doon, maliit pa ako. Then nagde-demo siya like this, but I mean, just ignoring. Then he actually left his machine to us. So my dad was diabetic and also a lot of ailments. And you know, malaki yung naging slowdown ng progression of all the ailments that he had. And even for me, when I started to know and realize yung benefits, and not just for me, sa pets ko rin. So I use them all, and yeah, I'm just really grateful. I'm really invested as well to learn more and to share about this.
As you can see, 0 to 200 is the only acceptable limit. More than 200 is already beyond. It's already dangerous. 2,200. Red zone. It's extremely dangerous. Actually, ito, nakaset siya sa frequency ng brain natin. Nasa 72 MHz. Can you turn on the M-Guard? Kita niya? Oh. Kita niya yung green? Okay, turn it on. Naging blue.
Unang gabi pa lang, grabe, kahit na 5 hours lang yung tulog, pero sobrang lalim. I never had an experience, sumakit ang ulo ulit. Promise yung lahat ng pinakita niyo kanina dito na masakit ang ulo, masakit ang mata. Yun yung experience. I know I'm healing from my kidney disease. Also, improvement ng health through the M-Guard. So this is not a story just to sell the M-Guard. This is true story about me regarding dito sa M-Guard. So I never had an experience ng sobrang malalim na tulog. Only when I have this M-Guard. So really amazing. Amazing yung M-Guard. Sobrang amazing.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, baka naman sa atin. Thank you so much.
We are here for compassion. They always ask me, King, what is your secret to success? I always say, compassion plus mission equals commission. What do we really sell? This is a very big question mark. Because not everybody are good sellers, am I right? Ito talaga is ethical. You know what? Every time you meet with friends, may reunion kayo, dalawang bagay lang ang pinag-uusapan eh. Number 1, kumusta ka na? Eto, may sakit. Ay, si Mister, may ganito. Nag-stroke. Hindi ba tama ako? So, another thing is, kumusta ka na? Ayun, ako, nabangkap ang business. Nawala ng trabaho, nag-downsize sila. So, ang problema is always about wealth and always about health. Di ba paikot-ikot lang?
Nung nag-2-way ako, doon ko palang naramdaman totoong pera. Kasi honestly, ang sweldo ng isang supervisor, less than 10,000 lang po yung sweldo ko in a month. As a nurse, what's in it for you? Like, I'm here to plant this inspiration. I want you guys to try this, to dream again, to dream big because you deserve this. If others can do it, you can do it too. Thank you and God bless you all.